AI, your secret weapon for 10x productivity and earnings. Discover the ultimate tool. No, AI isn't your replacement. It's your secret weapon. Here's a AI-powered tool to help boost 10x productivity at work and start earning $/M. 1. Unlock your productivity potential. Track, optimize, and elevate your workflow on your Mac. It empowers you to take charge of your workday, fostering improved habits through incentivizing sharper focus and heightened efficiency. Two, take charge of your time. Focus Fusion automatically rates your apps based on productivity, so you can identify and eliminate time-wasting distractions. 3. In-depth tracking. Focus Fusion automatically rates your apps based on productivity, so you can identify and eliminate them. 4. Activity report. Focus Fusion gives you a detailed insight of how you spent your day and what platforms you are addicted to. 5. Automatic cross-device sync. Focus Fusion seamlessly tracks your activities across all your Apple devices without the need for installing additional apps on them. Six, set website and app limits. Set platform limits on distracting sites and focus on what truly matters. This feature ensures that Focus Fusion runs in the background to enforce the restrictions. 7. Stay informed with in-app notifications. Focus Fusion keeps you in the know with helpful notifications right within the app. Get real-time updates on your progress, productivity insights, and important reminders to help you stay on track. 8. Quick access from your menu bar. With Focus Fusion, important data like your productivity score, daily time tracking, top apps or websites, and most productive hours are just a glance away. Our menu bar feature keeps you informed and in control even outside the app. 9. Daily limits. Focus Fusion lets you set daily limit usage on apps and websites you want to reduce usage on. You will not be allowed to visit these websites after the set limit is up. 10. Real-time alerts. Elegant report of your activities and trends. Focus Fusion sends real-time smart notifications on how well your day is going so you can adjust and refocus.